If you're still using IPsec for site-to-site VPNs in 2026, you're wasting time, CPU, and probably sanity. In the next 5 minutes, I'll connect two MikroTik routers opposite sides of the world using WireGuards, the fastest and safest VPN MikroTik has ever had. No firewall rules, no routing mess, just interface and peer. Stay till the end. I'll show you one mistake that breaks 90% WireGuard setups. So here's the setup. Two MikroTik routers, two different countries, both with public IP addresses. We are building a direct WireGuard tunnel between them. This is router A, located in Iran, and this is router B, located in the United States. Both routers have public IP addresses. Our goal is simple: create a secure tunnel between them. No complexity, just WireGuard. For configuring WireGuard, first we should open our routers. Let's do this. This is my first router. I click on open. Then I open my second router. Let's put them together. You should go to WireGuard menu and create a WireGuard interface. Click on new. Give it a meaningful name, for example, WireGuard to Iran. Oops, it should be with capital. The moment you enable this interface, as you click on apply, MikroTik automatically generates two keys. As you can see, we have a private key and public key. A private key which never leaves this router, and the public key which must be shared with the other side. This is the heart of WireGuard. Now configure the other router exactly the same way. And done. Now comes the critical part, peer configuration. If you mess up just one field, your tunnel will never come up. Let me show you how to do it right the first time. Open the peer tab. We go to peers, then click on new, set a name on it, for example, Iran. Then select the WireGuard interface this peer will use. Now let's configure the important fields. First one is public key. This is the public key of the remote router. So we should copy this. Let's copy. I put it here. There are no exceptions here. If this key is wrong, nothing works. Private key is optional in most cases and usually not required, but we use it in this scenario. Next is endpoint. This is the public IP address or DNS name of the remote router. So we put public IP here. Next one is endpoint port. This must match the WireGuard listen port on the other side. The default port is 13231. Simple, exact, no guessing. And now the most important, allowed address. This is where most people fail. Allowed address is not routing. It only defines which IP addresses are allowed through this peer. I put this in this field. It means all IPs can access through this peer. Nothing more, nothing less. Repeat the same configuration on the other router. And you should remember, if you are using IP version 6 in your router, you should configure it based on IPv6. Okay, click on apply. This is the peer, we made it. So let's go to the other side. Peer, click on new, set a name on it, USA. And we need public key and private key. Should copy public key and private key. Endpoint, which is our public IP address on the other side. Endpoint port and allowed address. As you can see, this is based on IP version 6, which we don't have in our network, so we use IP version 4 form. Then click on apply and done. This is our WireGuard, and that's it. Our peers are enabled, RX TX start moving. The tunnel is up. Let me show you. As you can see here, we have TX and RX. So it means that our tunnel is working. No firewall rules, no NAT, no routing. Now we should put IP on our WireGuard interfaces and test the connection. Then we click here, oops, IP addresses, 192.168.202/30, WireGuard to USA. Now we should check our connection. We go to terminal, ping 192.168.201. Now it's time to troubleshoot. What's wrong with our tunnel? As we can see here, oops, there is a listen port. There's a listen port that we must define it as we set on our peers. Put this here and this one here. So, as you can see, our connection is successfully works. This is the fastest and cleanest WireGuard setups on MikroTik. In the next video, I'll teach you how to route the network and secure the tunnel, but first you must master it. If this video saved you time, hit like and subscribe because this channel is about real MikroTik engineering.